Hey guys, today I will show you how to download and install Elden Ring Nightreign game on your PC or laptop. So first over head over to the Steam website and just click on the sign in option you will see on the top and just create the Steam account. This is very simple and easy. After you created the Steam account, you need to install Steam on your PC or laptop. So just click on the install Steam option you will see on the top. Then click on install Steam and download and install Steam on your PC. After that, open up the Steam, click on the top search box and just type the game, which is Elden Ring Nightreign. You'll find this game on the top search results, so just open it up. Once the game page is open, just scroll down, click on add to cart option like so. Now click on view my cart option. Now simply click on continue to payment and go ahead pay the amount for this game. After you pay the amount for this game will be added to your library of Steam. Go to your library of Steam, find this game, click on install. That's how you can download and install this game on your PC. If you find this guide useful, like it, and thanks for watching.